You should put on the best version of yourself when you go out in the world, because that is a show of respect to the other people around you. In the luxury world, presenting your best self is about more than just appearance. It's a reflection of respect, elegance, and timeless style. This is the essence of luxury living, where every detail is tailored to perfection. Step into luxury, the world of Tom Ford. Tom Ford's journey is a testament to the power of dedication and innovation. Starting as an intern at Chloe under Kathy Hardwick, he worked alongside future industry giants like Marc Jacobs. Ford's talent soon propelled him to creative director roles at Gucci and YSL, where he transformed these brands with his cutting-edge designs. His success at these prestigious houses gave him the foundation to launch his own brand, synonymous with high-end fashion and elegance. Today, let's explore the role of Manager Global Packaging Design, Tom Ford Beauty. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. Here's a career that's not only lucrative but also deeply creative. Manager Global Packaging Design at Tom Ford Beauty. With an anticipated base salary range of $82,500 to $135,500, this role demands a passion for design and a keen eye for detail. You will guide key projects within the global packaging design team and overseeing the full process from concept to execution. You will actively demonstrate excellence in design vision and execution, visualizing concepts through mood board and sketches. You'll collaborate with the design team on packaging programs, ensuring execution of design direction files, a bachelor's degree in package design or graphic design. Strong organizational skills and the ability to manage multiple projects are essential, along with mastery in Adobe Creative Suite and proficiency in 3D modeling rendering software. This role at Tom Ford Beauty is not just about packaging, it's about creating bespoke designs that reflect the luxury of the brand. And for an insightful dive into the luxury fashion industry, I recommend watching The September Issue, a documentary that follows Anna Wintour and the Vogue team as they prepare the 2007 fall fashion issue. Drop us a comment below, give this video a like if you found it intriguing, and don't forget to subscribe for more luxury career paths like this one.